I'm Tudora, and this is Tudora's Corner. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Mara. Hey sister, what are we gonna eat? I'm hungry.
We're gonna make rice with chicken.
Ooh, that's delicious.
Let's get to cooking.
Hey, what do we need?
We need onions, chicken, carrots, rice, and the last thing is olive oil. Let's cook it. Now we're gonna chop the onions in this bowl. Let's get them in. Close it. Hold it, sister.
It's hard.
There we go. Now it's chopped.
Yeah, you're so smart. Now let's go open it.
Whoa. Now we're gonna put on the olive oil. Pour the olive oil just a little bit. That's it. Now get the chopped onions in the olive oil. Inside. Now let's go. Now we're gonna fry the onion. Put it on 6. Just wait until it gets warm and Hey sister, pour in the carrots.
Okay.
Smells so good.
Yeah, let me put some more carrots in and put on it. It smells so delicious.
Yeah. Now we're gonna pour the chicken. Let's get it in there. One by one. And here we go. Meanwhile, we're gonna set the oven in 200 degrees. Now we're gonna put the rice. Mix it. Now we're gonna put hot water. I'm gonna put a little bit more. That's it. We're gonna let this on the stove to cook for a while. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna put mix of spices. And now we're gonna put the pepper. That's enough. Now let's mix. It smells so good now. Really better. One day, maybe I will be a professional cook. What do you think, guys? It smells like that mix of spices. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Oh my god, I need help. Okay, successfully in the oven. Now let's close it. Now we're gonna wait half an hour to 45 minutes to let it bake. It will be so yummy after this. This is it. The dish is ready. Look, it's so tasty.
Yeah, it's so tasty.
This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, it's Isadora's Corner. Bye!
Bye!